The mission, vision, and core values of FINMA Aurelio serves as the foundation of the university's community. It inspires students to pursue knowledge, develop their abilities, and to become an individual who contributes meaningfully to society.
Behind every school is a purpose that guides it. A mission defines what the school strives to do today. A vision shows the future it hopes to create. A core value shape the character of the students it nurtures. These principles are more than just words written on paper. They influence how students learn, grow, and interact with the world around them.
As a student, how does the mission and vision of our school influences you?
For me, it serves as a reminder that education is not only about passing grades but also about becoming better and more responsible person.
The mission, vision, and core values of FINMA Aurelio serves as the foundation of the university's community. It inspires students to pursue knowledge, develop their skills, and to become an individual who contributes meaningfully to society.
How does the core values of PINMA AU affect your everyday life in school?
They guide us how we treat others, how we face challenges, and how we continue learning even when things become difficult.
At FINMA AU, the mission, vision, and core values are more than guiding statements. They are principles that shape students into individuals ready to face the future.
Why do you think it is important for students to understand the school's mission and vision?
For me, it's important because it reminds us of what we are here and to learn, grow, and prepare ourselves for the future.
At FINMA Aurelio, these principles guide not only education but also the journey of every learner.